Here's Ryan. Just being silly. Hi. Yeah? Yeah? Can you say hi? Can we take out the pacifier? Say hi. Hi. Boo. Oh, see how the pretty smile. Boo. See how handsome he is. See those chunky thighs. There's our crazy kitty cat. Hi. I'm not forgetting about you. I see you. Hi. Say, I hate moving. Moving sucks. Say, I'm almost 6 months old. Yeah, almost 6 months old. You can see he's super happy baby. I see you. I see you. I see you. His smile melts my heart. Boo. Look at those chubby little cheeks. I love it. Look at those chubby little thighs. It's so adorable. Hi. Boo. And he's still in 0 to 3 months clothes, but he's starting to fit into 3 to 6 months clothes, so that's pretty exciting. Boo! Hi! I just wanted everyone to see how happy I am. Yeah, I want to show everyone how happy my little boy is. Boo! As you can see, here upstairs, our neighbors are so loud. It's annoying. Boo! Yeah, they're so loud. I'll be glad to move out here. Boo! Boo! It's so cute. I can't stop. I can't stop taping. It's just so cute. Boo! 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 See, I could make an hour-long video, but I'm just squealing. It's so cute. So there's nothing like little baby squeals. Boo! I love to hear you. I love. Oh, and he's starting to get ticklish. It's so cute. Tickle his cheek. Tickle. I'm getting that tummy. I'm getting that. Yeah, I'm getting you. Boo. A boogie one. Can you say bye-bye? Hi. Bye-bye. 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 You want more laugh at you? Boo. We got your mother laugh at you. Bye, YouTube.